Qatar workers' welfare, reforms made but challenges remain. At SCO meet, Shankar's polite respect sovereignty message to China. Russia seeks drone attack probe, guarantees to resume grain deal. Most major Gulf bourses slip on weaker oil prices. Ukraine must stop using grain deal corridor for terrorist attacks, Russian lawmaker. Air raid alerts sound all over Ukraine. Give OPEC Plus a phone call if world needs more oil, UE Minister. Putin confirms Russia's readiness to strengthen ties with Arab League. Netanyahu bids for comeback in tight Israeli election. An unprecedented deal between Israel and Lebanon could chart a new course for the two countries. Syria, opposition coalition hopes Arab summit will make progress on Syria. Mohammed bin Hadi Al Husseini meets IMF Director of the Middle East and Central Asia Department. Israel closes Gaza crossings, arrests 4. Europe, Middle East and US on high alert after intelligence claims Iran will attack Saudi Arabia. Fisherman Middle East turns arms exporter as combat drones take flight in Europe. Apple establishes regional hub in Saudi Arabia. Day 5, pumped up Imran says Capitol Police to side with him when march reaches Islamabad. Sindh excuses itself from holding LG polls in reply to EC. Govt bars KP police personnel from participating in PTI's Long March.